Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is the lecture 4 of grade 6, unit number 1, Humans and Animals, and I am your science teacher, Ms. Sidra Zafar. In the previous lesson, we studied about the respiratory system and the organs which make the respiratory system. We studied that there are the 4 organs: nose, throat, windpipe and lungs. And this respiratory system depends upon the two steps, inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation is the process in which we take the oxygen in our body, and exhalation is the process in which we release the carbon dioxide. The today's topic is importance of the respiratory system. In this lecture, we study some facts which shows the importance of the respiratory system. The first is talking. The respiratory system also helps us when we talk. Air is forced to the vocal cords and helps them to vibrate, which is basically the sound we hear when we are talking or trying to sing. The next fact is breathing when we run. As our breathing increases when we run, more carbon dioxide increases in the body. The level of the carbon dioxide accumulates, the respiratory system starts to trigger, and it brings more oxygen into the body. If we slow down, the carbon dioxide levels will go down and we will breathe more easily. As our body starts to achieve a normal level of carbon dioxide, our breathing will return to normal. This respiratory system also plays a very important role in the sense of smell and the exchanging of gases at the tissue level and the exchanging of gases in the lungs as well. Now, it is very important to keep our respiratory system healthy. But how do we keep the respiratory system healthy? The viruses and bacteria can cause respiratory illness. You all are familiar now in these days. The coronavirus is very harmful for the respiratory system. It affects our lungs and causes to death. Can we keep the respiratory system healthy and safe from the corona and the other viruses? Yes, we can do it. We keep the respiratory system healthy by avoid the people that are sick. Exercise regularly, eat healthy food, ensure you get lots of sleep and rest. Washing your hands properly, and don't smoke. This was the today's lesson. Now here is a home task. Write the answer of the following questions on your notebook and WhatsApp me the pic of your notebook page on my number as soon as possible. The question number 1 is how respiratory system help us in talking and in breathing when we run? Question number 2, can we live with a single lung? This was the home task, and the next lecture will be on the digestive system.